architectural design, with expansive glass walls that invite natural light. Lush greenery surrounds the space, including various tropical plants and palm trees. The pool has crystal-clear turquoise water, reflecting the sky above, and is lined with elegant beige stone. Stylish orange and soft blue lounge chairs are positioned around the pool area, creating a cozy atmosphere. A serene, hyper-realistic scene showcasing modern eco-friendly houses nestled within a lush green environment. The architecture features sleek, curved lines with large glass windows and balconies adorned with a variety of plants, creating a seamless blend with nature. The setting is surrounded by vibrant foliage, including tropical plants and trees, with varied shades of green dominating the color palette. Soft, ambient lighting emanates from inside the homes, illuminating the warm wooden interiors and creating a cozy atmosphere. A winding stone pathway leads through the garden, flanked by manicured bushes and ornamental grasses. A tranquil courtyard scene featuring a stunning, tiled pool in the center, surrounded by lush greenery and terracotta pots filled with various plants. The architecture showcases traditional Spanish-style elements with arched doorways, a tile roof, and a tower with a bell, all set against a backdrop of soft, rolling hills. The sunlight bathes the scene in a warm glow, enhancing the vibrant colors of the ceramic tiles in the pool and the rich greens of the foliage. Modern architectural homes surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant foliage, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and structure. The scene is rendered in hyper-realistic style with a focus on intricate details. The house features large glass windows reflecting the surrounding garden's various shades of green, complemented by warm wooden accents and concrete. The exterior is adorned with cascading plants and flowers, enhancing the organic feel. A modern rooftop garden scene set during twilight in a bustling city. The foreground features a glass-walled modern home with lush greenery and vibrant flowers on the roof, showcasing a variety of succulents and wildflowers in a riot of colors, including yellows, purples, and greens. The interior is softly illuminated with warm yellow lights, creating a cozy atmosphere. In the background, the iconic skyline of a city is visible, with skyscrapers silhouetted against the gradient of a dusky sky transitioning from soft orange to deep blue. Scenic outdoor terrace of a modern home, featuring a luxurious wooden deck overlooking a sprawling cityscape at sunset. The warm glow of the setting sun casts orange and pink hues across the sky, creating a tranquil atmosphere. In the foreground, a sleek, dark-colored lounge sofa sits beside a shimmering pool, surrounded by lush greenery and succulent plants. A stylish dining area includes elegant chairs and a minimalist wooden table, adorned with tasteful decor. The structure boasts large glass windows reflecting the sunset and hanging spherical pendant lights made of delicate rattan. A modern, eco-friendly house with a striking vertical garden on its exterior, set against a city skyline at dusk. The scene captures the warm glow of the interior lights reflecting through expansive glass windows, contrasting with the darkening sky. Lush greenery and vibrant blooms cover the facade, showcasing a variety of plants in shades of green, red, and yellow. The structure is situated by a serene body of water, surrounded by lily pads, adding a tranquil touch. A serene garden scene featuring a modern, multi-level house with large glass windows. The setting is bathed in warm, golden sunlight filtering through lush greenery, creating a peaceful atmosphere. The house is adorned with vertical planters filled with vibrant herbs and flowers, illuminated by soft, warm lights. In the foreground, a winding stone pathway leads to a cozy seating area with stylish wooden chairs and a round table, surrounded by a variety of colorful blooms and trailing vines. A tranquil water feature reflects the greenery and adds to the soothing ambience. A cozy rooftop terrace scene bathed in warm, natural light. The setting features rustic, terracotta tiles, blending seamlessly with rich green plants and vibrant flowers in terracotta pots. The terrace is adorned with a comfortable, earthy-toned couch, accompanied by a simple, wooden coffee table. Surrounding the seating area are lush lavender, orange marigolds, and other colorful blooms, creating a tranquil oasis amidst urban life. In the background, a charming brick wall with lush greenery cascades down, complemented by large windows showcasing the skyline of modern buildings and a bright blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds. Tranquil Japanese Zen garden scene featuring a carefully arranged landscape with natural elements, showcasing a harmonious blend of rocks, sand, and greenery. Include a wooden bench with comfortable cushions positioned beside the pebble-strewn ground, accented by meticulously placed stones, smooth stones, and various plants. Soft, ambient lighting from the house creates a cozy feel, contrasting with the cool tones of early evening. A modern, elegant house with a striking combination of wood and stone, situated beside a serene pool surrounded by lush greenery. The architectural design features large glass panels that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces, revealing a tastefully furnished interior with minimalist decor. The pool area is enhanced with comfortable lounge chairs and vibrant tropical plants, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The scene is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, highlighting the rich textures of the materials used and the vivid green of the landscaping. A modern, minimalist two-story house set in a serene, snowy landscape. The architecture features large glass windows and sleek lines, highlighting a blend of wood and stone materials. The exterior contrasts stark white walls with dark stone accents. The scene is illuminated by warm interior lighting, suggesting a cozy atmosphere within, while the dim natural light of a twilight sky casts a soft glow. Surrounding the house are lightly dusted pine trees and patches of snow, enhancing the tranquil winter setting. A charming, luxurious cottage surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a thatched roof and wooden accents, showcasing architectural elegance. The structure has multiple gabled roofs and expansive glass doors that invite the outdoors in. The scene is set in a vibrant tropical garden with a rich variety of plants, including ferns and large leafy palms, creating a serene, tranquil atmosphere. The color palette consists of warm earthy tones, rich browns, soft greens, and hints of terracotta, harmonizing beautifully with the natural surroundings. Modern architectural masterpiece, hyper-realistic style, showcasing a contemporary house with a spacious open layout. Emphasize large glass windows reflecting warm, ambient lights from the interior. Surrounding the house, lush greenery and tropical plants enhance the serene atmosphere. Include a sleek pool with gentle ripples mirroring the sky, complemented by wooden deck furniture that creates a cozy vibe. The setting is dusk, capturing the blend of cool twilight blues and warm golden tones from the house's lighting. A modern, multi-level home with a combination of glass and wooden elements, surrounded by lush greenery and a serene outdoor setting. The architecture has clean lines, large windows that reflect the warm glow of interior lights, and embraces a harmonious connection with nature. The house is built around a tranquil swimming pool, with smooth stone pathways lined with diverse tropical plants and ornamental trees. The evening sky casts a soft blue hue, contrasting with the warm golden light spilling from the windows, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. A modern, single-story house with large glass windows and wooden accents, seamlessly blending with a lush garden. The exterior features a mix of dark gray and natural wood elements, creating a sleek yet warm atmosphere. Soft warm lights illuminate the interior spaces, visible through the large windows, highlighting a cozy living area with stylish furniture. Surrounding the house are well-manicured garden beds with green shrubs and decorative plants, complemented by a textured stone pathway leading to the entrance. A contemporary urban home surrounded by lush tropical greenery, designed in a modern aesthetic. The structure features large glass windows that reflect a warm golden light from the interiors, creating an inviting atmosphere. The house showcases a combination of natural wood and sleek stone elements, accentuated by a flat roofline and multiple balconies adorned with potted plants. The lush garden is dotted with tropical plants and ferns, enhancing the dwelling's harmony with nature. Modern architectural masterpiece nestled in a serene forest setting, showcasing a two-story house with sleek lines and large glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The facade features a combination of dark wood and stone accents, highlighting organic materials. The outdoor space is adorned with lush greenery, including tall ferns and ornamental plants, creating a harmonious blend with the environment. A contemporary patio with stylish furniture is positioned in front of the house, accompanied by a landscaped garden with smooth stones and a small water feature, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. Modern, contemporary house nestled in a serene, wooded setting, characterized by large glass windows and sleek lines, exuding a blend of sophistication and warmth. The structure features a combination of stone and wooden textures, illuminated by warm, inviting lighting that seeps through the expansive glass walls, creating a cozy ambience. The scene is set during twilight, with soft, diffused lighting in a misty atmosphere, surrounded by lush greenery and scattered boulders. The foreground showcases a well-maintained garden with vibrant foliage and decorative planters, while the background remains slightly blurred to emphasize the house's modern architecture. Modern architectural design of a large, two-story house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows and wooden accents. The house blends seamlessly into its natural environment, with a carefully landscaped garden showcasing various plants, rocks, and a serene pathway leading to the entrance. The scene is captured during a misty evening, with warm, inviting light spilling from the interior, contrasting with the cool, muted colors of dusk. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the intricate details of the structure and natural elements, while the foliage includes vibrant greens and subtle earth tones that enhance the tranquil atmosphere.